guys and girls, I'm Julia of Wig Review Central, and I want to show you how you can better affix a topper, any topper, to your head. But in particular, I love the Raquel Welch Alpha Wave 16-inch topper. And I like this topper because in addition to the 5 pressure-sensitive clips that this topper has, and as you can see, it's a monofilament top. Great feature. It lets you part this topper left, center, or right. It has this polyurethane strip in the front, so you can put double-sided tape or adhesive and affix it, press it down, let it stick to your forehead to better secure it. Let me show you. I like to use Got2B Glued. You can buy this at Walmart, most pharmacies, and Dollar General. It's inexpensive, and even though it's a styling gel or a spiking gel, it holds like you would not believe. Though it's white, it dries clear. So I'm going to put some along the polyurethane strip of Alpha Wave. Now once you have the topper on your head, you can straighten it, but be sure to hold firm that polyurethane strip against your hairline. You'll want to do this for a couple of minutes. Now if you like, some people use a headband to hold it down. You can do that as well. So once you feel that it's taken hold, you can put your 5 pressure sensitive clips, just lock them down all the way around, and there you go. You are secure, and I mean secure. There is nothing that's going to lift this topper. There is nothing that is going to make it come undone. Look at that. I mean, it is stuck. Woo! Woo! Another good adhesive to use with your topper or any lace front wig is It Stays. This is a great roll-on medical adhesive. Both of these products are easy to remove with warm water. Now if you're someone who sweats profusely in warm weather, these products may loosen their hold between you and your topper. Please subscribe, as I will have many more wig reviews, color comparison videos, and how-to videos to come. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.